So here we are at my restaurant Chiswick. The Produce Awards are so important. The last 19 years I've been involved in every year, and I have to say it's just getting better and better and better. The level of produce that we get and how beautiful it is just absolutely bloody insane, and we're so lucky to get it. So we've got my group chef Laura, who's worked for me for 17 years, believe it or not, and she's making this incredible toasty. What cheese is on it, Laura? Is that cheddar?
We're using both driftwood and Banksia. We're putting both cheeses on in their whole form, and we're topping that off with piccalilli.
I think it's really important to know your producer because of the connection that it builds and brings.
Gives you more and more love for the ingredient that you're working with.
I know the history that's gone into it, I know the breed, I know their farming techniques. I know ultimately they're not only going to be able to produce incredible product, but they're also going to be good for the world.
It's very important to support our local farmers and producers. They're trying to grow the best they can. We as consumers, we're getting the benefit of that.
The delicious Harvey Norman Produce Awards are so important. They are highlighting the best produce in Australia. They make us look better by giving us the best produce. I feel as though it's such an honour, and I love you guys. This is Laura's famous toasty, and it's just full of some of the produce that we got in the Produce Awards this year. That's what you call a cheese toasty. Look at that. That is so good.